Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this beautiful Saturday morning. Want to see something that happened to us last night? Yeah, our trampoline kind of took a toll from the storm. Don't think that's gonna make it another day. So that's pretty unfortunate. Lost a trampoline, but you know, what are you gonna do? Yeah. Come along with us today.
Neighbor, what are you doing?
Our guard dog. Yeah, it was a pretty crazy storm last couple days. Trampoline made it the first night, but second night decided to leave us. But we went grocery shopping yesterday at Sam's Club, and you can see we're too tired to mess with it and put it away. So, gotta do that today. Gonna go to the gym. Got a couple massages later, some dinner planned. Should be a good day. All right. On another note, I did get an inch of creamy. We'll make a couple today. It'll be great. Trampoline. Probably just hide it in the backyard for now. Oh geez, why that happened? The storms were pretty bad last couple nights. We even had a tornado pretty close. So luckily we did lose power. I know people that did, so I'm thankful for that because it's way too hot. Groceries are here. We just put the trampoline back in the backyard for now so we can disassemble it in some way or form and get it out of here. Thank you, Florida, for the wonderful storm to wake up to. Alright, hold on. I'll let this guy back in. Oh shoot, I hope that was recording this whole time. Anyway, if it wasn't, we did a scoop of protein, which I did vanilla, and then we're gonna just do a serving size gelatin, which is 7 grams. I did white chocolate. What's happened?
The damn thing probably shut off after it saw how much shit I'm eating.
Yeah, that's what it was. Alright, and then
So we gotta cut.
Add our Fairlife milk as soon as this wants to zero out to fluid ounces.
That stands for FL, babe.
FL OZ. Ooh, cherry. I love cherries. We love cherries. We'll buy a thing of cherries and like watch a show or something, and next thing you know the whole bag's gone, so there's that. All right, and There we have it. We have our 2 mixies. We're gonna go ahead and just mix them up and freeze them, guys. And then I'll check in with you later when we do the rest of it. Also, I forgot to mention, you guys, that even though we like to get our ice cream worth volume-wise, so this is the max fill line on these, so we just mixed it. I just used a frother this time around for that, and then I just fill the rest with water up until the fill line, because it just gives you a little more in the end game, you know. There we go, and freezer ready. Alright guys, breakfast burritos it is. That's what we decided upon. Just do egg whites and some egg stirs mixed in just to add a little more flavor. Some of the turkey sausage, a little bit of cheese. Yeah. Alright, see, just kind of mix it all in. Put it in your tortilla. Alright, we're gonna put some hot peppers in because we like it spicy, which is just these guys right here. I literally eat these out of the jar because they're so good. And then my kid tells me how bad my breath is after. It's pretty great. He's always like, oh, it stinks. But they're so good. Can't say no. Do you want some of your fresh salsa in yours?
Yeah.
Huh? This big old thing of fresh salsa. Caleb wants to put some on his. Did you already try it?
Yeah, I ate a fuck ton of it.
It was good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I'm just gonna do hot sauce in mine. Do you want hot sauce in yours, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Some hot sauce. Oh, that is good. That's a good salsa. Tapatio or crystals?
Crystal.
Probably need to get a little more crystals. Just your standard little hot sauce, you know. Ooh. Alright, nice simple little breaky. See how good we are at folding these today. Every now and then. Not too bad, not too shabby. Oh, yeah, no breakage there. Good little burrito. Y'all should hire me. I am a burrito master. Heck yeah! Paper plates.
Oh, sausage dripping.
Alright, we just got done with our massage. It was awesome. We finally found a place that can do a good job around here. Why is getting a massage always so hard to find, like, someone that can do, like, what you want, you know? Might be a small person, but I like deep tissue. Gotta get those muscles. These things. You enjoy yours?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. We really enjoyed it. So now we are gonna go grab a drink downtown, and we've got dinner soon. Somewhere we've never been. We've heard great things about. It's called Iron. And we've gone to a lot of places, so it's kind of surprising that we've never been here yet. So we'll bring you guys along and show you what we get. what'd you think, babe?
Terrible.
Absolutely terrible. Never go there.
Never.
Just kidding. It was great.
Very good.
We went ahead, I did video all of our courses. It was super good. It's crazy because they are known for steak, but we didn't even get steak. That's okay, next time. It was super good. We're gonna go grab a couple drinks at the speakeasy. So hang tight till then, it's kind of rainy. Alright guys, don't mind the humidity of my hair. Caleb says it looks great still, but we can't believe him. We just left dinner, had a pre-drink before that, and we're gonna venture on here to have another drink before we go home. Little nightcap. We've been to this spot before. It was super cool. I will fill you guys in as we go. Okay. Look at my sexy chauffeur.
All the time, every time.
Passenger
Do I get to be the passenger princess?
Please hold. That kind of thing. Good morning, you guys. We literally kind of woke up and ran straight to the beach just for a couple hours. It's gonna storm again today, so we just figured we'd get a little bit of overcast sunshine while we can. So we're gonna do that. Today's kind of just like a reset. We gotta do a lot of cleanup at the house, laundry. You guys saw my fridge, it was a nightmare, so that'll be fun. So yeah, and hopefully we'll get to the gym too at some point today, so bring you guys back. Good morning. Little bit of sun. Alright guys, we made it back home, thank goodness, because it started pouring. And we missed it, so yeah, we just got a warning too, saying it's gonna be up to 80-mile-per-hour winds or something. It's crazy. So cleaning day it is, starting now. Yeah, I'll show you guys my fridge, and we're gonna start cooking, meal prepping, laundry, all the fun stuff. All right. So. Look at this madness right now. This is the before. Let's get to it, huh? Shall we? Alright guys, you saw me prep some chicken. That's basically the chicken that we kind of eat throughout the week, so we at least have some protein that's readily made, so we can just grab and go or mix it into anything. Makes it super easy. I'm also making some pasta here. I've got 96.4 ground turkey or ground beef, mushrooms and onions here, so we're going to combine all that make a big old thing of pasta because I'm a sucker for it and it's delicious because we do make it like that. We put in, I usually just use like the Publix roasted garlic. It's really good macros, low in fat, and it's really good as well. And we always use the skinny pasta. I don't know if you guys have ever used this. I can also get this at Publix, Winn-Dixie. I think Walmart might be carrying it now. I'm not positive on that, or at least they have something similar. You can also Amazon it up. It's awesome. The macros is 0 fat, 2 carbs, and 0 protein. But I mean, come on, if you're gonna eat pasta, this is the way to do it. And it honestly tastes just like spaghetti. It almost like I was telling Caleb that I almost feel like it's similar to like ramen noodles in a way. It's like you're almost like just eating it with ramen noodles. So if you want to give that a shot, you can. Were you getting the trampoline done? Yeah. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and see what that looks like at the end too. All right, so as you can see, pasta time. All right, guys, progress has been made. Look how much better our kitchen looks. Are you ready for the finale of in here? Wow, doesn't that look so much better? Ta-da! Got cut up yellow and red tomatoes, some lettuce in that one. We've got our spaghettis, cherries, some blackberries in that one, prep chicken, all the goods, egg whites, put our turkey, lunch meat, all the goods in there, the dipping stuff, Ason's juices. So much better, guys. This is my creamy that I made yesterday that I never made. So good. Making a hole to add a few Reese's Pieces. Alright. Reese's Pieces are in there. Give it a shot. Alright guys, let's give it a shot. This should be illegal. It's like a freaking McFlurry, dude. Dangerous. Straight dangerous. Alright guys, just to catch you guys up, so kind of saw throughout the day what we did. What did we do? We went to the beach for a little bit. Then came back because of the storm rolling in. Man, these storms have been killing us lately. The last 3 days been nothing but sheet weather. But then we cleaned up our house. Got it all better than it was. Fridge looks awesome. Lots of food that was made for the week. Now we're gonna play some Yahtzee, and it's been a long time since I've played Yahtzee. And I think it's been a long time for him because he's reading the instructions.
They have tips and tricks on how to win. Always need the tips and tricks.
We got ourselves a drink. We're gonna play some Yahtzee and then probably call it a night. So that's the weekend for us. Yeah. Anything to say, babe?
No.
No? Not a damn thing?
No.
You're boring.
Yeah. Gotta keep it PG.
Okay. Yeah. We watch a lot of Lucifer. I don't know if you guys have ever watched that show. And I feel like this guy is Lucifer when it comes to his mouth. So you're right. The least he says, the better.
I'm always winning, though, as I say.
Anyway, maybe I'll do even a couple days next week. We'll see what the week entails, and we'll see what I can vlog and keep posting here because I really do enjoy it, and hopefully you guys do too. And yeah, if there's anything else that you guys like that I've been doing, I can kind of maybe even go into more detail on, let me know. All right, see you guys. Night.